Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing 3 sites that will help you keep an eye on Etsy and what are they up to. Now, this is a great tactic to start doing as an Etsy seller because the more you know about Etsy, the more you'll know about your own business. So this is the reason why you want to kind of keep track of the latest and the trends and anything happening new on Etsy. So if you want to learn about these 3 sites, make sure that you watch all the way till the end. Now, if this is your first time also visiting my YouTube channel, you want to grow an impactful Etsy business, don't forget to subscribe today. Don't forget to show me some love by liking this video and leaving a comment below if you have any questions or just simply want to say hello. So let's go ahead and dive in. So the first site that I want to recommend is erank. And they have a section on erank which is called the Market Report. And with the Market Report, it shows you historical data of Etsy itself. So it's going to show you which countries Etsy users come from. It's going to show you the percentage of people in the internet who use Etsy, like the reach. And it's also going to tell you how Etsy's reach compared to other shopping sites like Amazon, AliExpress, eBay, Store Envy, etc. And it shows you how Etsy changes over time. And this is really important when you are selling because you could actually start doing some market comparison and see if Etsy is the best platform for you, or maybe you want to switch over to selling on Amazon Handmade, or maybe you want to do AliExpress, or you want to try a different venture, right? So this is a great tool that you can start using in order to start learning more about Etsy. So I will leave the links to all these three sites in the comment section below in case you guys want to check it out yourself or bookmark it for future reference. Now, the second site I wanted to recommend is the Etsy blog. So keeping track of the company is really, really important, especially learning more about what's trending, what's happening. So when you go in here, they have all different types of blog posts, but what I recommend is clicking on company news. And when you click there, it's going to give you specific news about Etsy. So what's happening on Etsy, if they have any commercials, any specials, any major changes that impacts you as an Etsy seller. And they have a lot of interesting articles as well for you to read and learn more and see how you could grow your Etsy business. So I highly recommend making an effort at least once a week, going in here and seeing, okay, what's happening new on Etsy. That way you could stay updated with the latest news of Etsy. Now, the third site that I want to recommend is called ecommercetimes.com. And Ecommerce Time is a great source of relevant news. So it's not just strictly Etsy, but it's anything e-commerce, right? So you could come in here and it's going to give you the latest news about anything changing. So for instance, Google Snaps are pointing to help Main Street stores get online. So that's one of the major things that Google's doing right now, is making sure that local businesses are already plugged in into online so they could get more traffic to their stores. So it's really, really neat that you could come in here and you could learn more about changes in the e-commerce world, things from Google to social media, to just about anything, any type of news that will happen that is really big. You could come in here and learn more. And they actually are really good at updating. They update an article. I want to say at least 3 to 4 articles per week. And they're really, really great detail articles. And you learn a lot about e-commerce, how to sell on e-commerce online, how people buy, why people buy, strategies, etc. So it's a really great place to come in and learn about the digital space, especially if you're pretty new at it and you don't really know how to navigate or how to use e-commerce for your advantage. So these 3 sites are going to really, really help you stay updated. And keep in mind that the more you know about your business, the more you know about e-commerce, the more you know about selling online, the more successful you will be. So ultimately, this is why I wanted to share these 3 awesome websites. So guys, Make sure that you click below so you could go ahead and bookmark these sites. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave me a message below. And thank you guys for watching.